I'm going to be making baked ziti with a garlic Alfredo pasta. The babies just had their bottles and they're just eating snacks and playing with toys, and Landon's drawing and dancing. Remember what I said, I only clean up once, and it's when they go to bed. Landon's always building forts, always throwing pillows. Max and Mia always dumping toys everywhere. It's only getting cleaned up when they go to bed. But I'm about to make dinner now, so there's toys all over the floor to keep them occupied while I make dinner. But right now they're snacking on Cheerios. Do y'all hear that thunder? It's about to pour down. Well, it's already pouring down. It's not like it's raining outside already. Yeah, don't climb. Look at her. They fighting over the Cheerios. Look at this. Mia. 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 You can't climb on the Cheerios. I'm going to show you guys what I have done so far. So I have 2 cups of pasta. You can use any kind of pasta. And then we have garlic powder, garlic salt, crap. I grabbed the wrong Alfredo. It's supposed to be garlic Alfredo. Oh well. And then some tomato sauce. And then I have the ground beef on medium high. Then I have water boiling for the pasta. I already put salt and pepper in it. So I'm going to put the pasta. The ground beef is pretty much done. The pasta is almost done. Y'all, so when vlogging goes wrong, dropped my phone in the pop noodles. Hopefully my phone continue to work. It done cooled down. I dumped the pasta. And I like to drain the pasta with cold water running because I don't like all that steam in my face, so I just run cold water. I'm gonna just put it on medium, put the pasta back on the burner, and then I dump the whole jar in. But you don't have to dump the whole jar in if you don't want, but I dump the whole jar in. And then just mix it. And because I didn't add the, because I grabbed the wrong kind, I am gonna add some garlic salt and some garlic powder to it to give it the garlic taste. So I just kind of eyeball what I'm putting in. Not too much of the salt, but put some in, mix it up. I'm gonna add some pepper. Just let the sauce thicken a little bit and reduce. So what I am gonna do with the ground beef though is put the ground beef back on the burner. And then I have a can opener. Let me get a wet paper towel. Oh, I do wipe the top of my cans with the wet paper towel. Oh, it's just a habit that I got into. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to dump this whole can in there too. But this is when, and I have this on low. So this part is when I put the most garlic powder in it. I'm gonna put some salt, but it's gonna be mostly powder to give it that garlic taste, because I want it to be kind of like you can tell that there's garlic in it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of the salt, but the garlic powder is gonna be thick. And then just mix it. Mixing the pasta. And I'm gonna cut it to low. I'm gonna add a little bit more powder and just mix it. I'm gonna put a little bit more in the meat as well. And then that should be enough garlic. And so that's done. So the pasta's done. I just cut it off. So I'm mixing the ground beef. And it's done as well. So this is what the ground beef looks like before it's put together. This is what the pasta looks like. This is what it looks like with everything. What I have to do now is just put some cheese on it. This is the finished product.